doing her max.
This is one of the reasons why I hate driving these single tracks to the middle of nowhere. You don't know what's up because you end up in a spot like this. Thankfully, we have a truck that's kind of not very long. You can imagine how that would feel if you were in a full-size truck. And it looks like an old building. Look,
Doesn't look the least bit comfortable.
building right there. It's kind of fallen down. Definitely has seen better days. I'll watch out for rattlesnakes.
There we go.
Alright, guys, it's okay.
That would suck living there. Good view, but man, living like that.
Just pay.
Just like coffee.